Hello, guys. You are watching me here on Indica Edutech, and yes, today I'm with one very common in the first interview question. If you will attend any interview, the first question will be tell me about yourself. So yes, let's say I am a candidate and I have to introduce myself. So what I will consider everything, let me tell you the all the points that we will consider in our introduction. So first we will start with the greetings, then name, then overall experience, and then the like field or the skill set, and then different methodologies, and then roles and responsibilities. That all you have to, and you can also add up your new any learning skills and um, your strength, right? So let's say I have same question. I have to introduce myself. So good morning, good evening, as per the time zone. So it's evening for me. So yes, good evening, everyone. My name is XYZ, and I have almost 3+ years of experience in IT industry, and totally into a testing profile where I worked on manual testing, functional testing, automation testing, regression testing, API testing as well. And yes, if I talk about my roles and responsibility that I am doing here, so yes, as per the requirement or the user story, we are going through the document or SRS document or any, user story, acceptance criteria, summary, description, and based on that, we are writing the test cases. And once the user story is in active bucket, then yes, we are executing the user story. But yes, before that, if we have acceptance criteria for that particular user story, then surely we will try to understand the workflow. And if we got any doubts, then surely we can, mm, encounter any queries and to the developer or in comment section as well. So we will get a feedback and we will get the clarity regarding the functionality that is about to come in this user story. And yes, once the user story is ready for the QE, and then yes, we will create a task. That is the complete workflow how we are working here. So uh, we will add subtask and time estimate. We will create a execution time estimate as well. We will create a test cycle, and yes, we will execute the test cases. And yes, if we found any discrepancy or any queries, then any queries or any issues, then we are reporting a bug and we are marking the user story as FT failed. Once it's again in a QE bucket, then the status will be in FT or dev complete. Then yes, we are doing BFB of that particular bug. And yes, we are retesting and doing regression on the user story. And once everything is working fine, actual result is matched with the expected result, then yes, we are closing that ticket. So this is all the scenario that we are working. And uh, we are following the agile methodology, where we have a 2 weeks of sprint. Let's say let's say we have a sprint one for a week, and due to any bug or let's say if there is any hot fixes in this sprint, then surely if there is no bandwidth, then user story moves to the next sprint as well. So this work goes like that. And yes, I have very good experience in automation. I worked on Selenium with Java, Python, and C Sharp, and mostly I am, uh, comfortable with the Selenium with Java, and where we have used Maven and POM design framework. Um, I also worked on API automation as well. Um, so if we have a existing framework, then I am also comfortable to execute the test, write the test script, and execute that. And yes, can also generate the report. So I can work with that flow as well, even though we have to create if I have to create a framework, then that is also okay for me. I'm comfortable to create a framework structure as well. And yes, if I talk about the build repository, then yes, I am comfortable with the Git. That is all. Thank you.